Today I am reviewing the Jumper 2025 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Jumper 2025 gaming laptop is a surprising powerhouse for gamers and productivity users alike. At the heart of this machine is the AMD Ryzen 5 7430U processor, a 6-core, 12-thread chip capable of running at a base clock of 2.3 GHz and turbo boosting up to 4.3 GHz. This combination of cores and threads makes multitasking effortless, allowing you to seamlessly switch between gaming, streaming, and productivity apps without noticeable lag. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics ensures smooth visuals for everyday tasks, casual gaming, and light creative work, giving you a solid experience whether you're working on presentations, watching videos, or editing images. Coupled with the Ryzen processor is 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, providing fast, responsive performance across multiple applications. The system is also equipped with a 1TB NVMe SSD, offering lightning-fast storage for games, multimedia files, and large projects. This not only reduces load times, but also ensures your system feels snappy and responsive throughout the day. If you need even more memory, the laptop comes with 2 memory slots, giving you the flexibility to upgrade in the future and extend its lifespan. One of the standout features of the Jumper 2025 is its 15.6-inch FHD IPS display. With a 1920 by 1080 resolution and a 16:9 aspect ratio, it provides sharp, vibrant visuals that make gaming, video watching, and creative work enjoyable. The screen is designed with narrow 5mm bezels, which maximize the viewing area, and includes low blue light protection and an anti-glare coating, ensuring comfort during long gaming or work sessions. Whether you're battling through your favorite game or binge-watching a series, the display delivers crisp colors and wide viewing angles without straining your eyes. The laptop also excels in mobility and power management. Its 62.7 watt-hour battery can last up to 8 hours on a single charge, giving you the freedom to work or play on the go. When you do need to recharge, the 65-watt fast charging support reduces downtime significantly, meaning you can quickly get back to gaming or productivity even in urgent situations. This combination of battery life and fast charging ensures you're never held back by power concerns. Connectivity and versatility are another area where the Jumper 2025 shines. It comes with 3 USB 3.2 ports, 1 USB Type-C port, an HDMI output, a headphone jack, a micro TF slot, and a DC power port, making it easy to connect peripherals, external drives, or additional displays. For wireless connectivity, the laptop supports Bluetooth 4.2 and dual-band Wi-Fi, providing fast, stable internet connections for online gaming, video calls, and streaming. Audio is handled by 4 stereo speakers, which deliver surprisingly rich and immersive sound for a laptop of this size, whether you're playing games, listening to music, or watching movies. Design-wise, the Jumper 2025 is practical and modern, with a layout that balances functionality with portability. Its combination of power, storage, and display makes it suitable for both gaming and professional work. You can use it as a daily driver for office tasks, creative projects, or even moderate gaming, and the ability to upgrade memory or add external storage ensures it can grow with your needs. In real-world use, the laptop performs impressively well. Games run smoothly at medium settings, office applications open instantly, and multimedia playback is fluid. The keyboard and touchpad are responsive, making typing and navigation comfortable, and the lightweight form factor makes it easy to carry between work, school, or home. The laptop delivers a balance of performance, portability, and battery life that is hard to find at this price point, especially for users looking for both gaming and productivity capabilities. In summary, the Jumper 2025 gaming laptop is a versatile and capable machine. Its AMD Ryzen 5 7430U processor, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and 1TB NVMe SSD provide excellent performance for multitasking and light gaming. The 15.6-inch FHD IPS display ensures vivid visuals, while the large battery and fast charging make it convenient for on-the-go use. With a solid selection of ports, strong wireless connectivity, and immersive audio from its 4 speakers, this laptop is a great choice for students, professionals, and casual gamers alike. If you're looking for a portable yet powerful device that can handle both work and play without compromise, the Jumper 2025 is definitely worth considering.